Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to activate eSIM on your iPhone. So guys, if you want to activate eSIM on your iPhone, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You can easily do this. So guys, first of all you have to simply go back to your home screen, and now you have to simply open settings on your device, and then you have to go to general, then go to software update, and make sure that you are using the updated version on your iPhone. So guys, do this, and after this go back, and now you have to simply go to cellular from here. So guys, go to cellular settings, and now you have to scroll it below, and here you will get the add eSIM option. Simply tap on this and wait here for some seconds, and from here you will get different options. You can transfer from nearby iPhone, you can use QR code, you can transfer from Android, or you can view travel options from here. So guys, you can choose from here whatever you want, and after this you have to simply select anyone from here. Like here I am selecting my QR code, and now you have to simply tap on scan QR code, and now you have to simply position the QR code provided by your carrier in the frame. So guys, you have to simply scan that QR code, and after this the eSIM will be activated on your iPhone. And the other way is also there. You can enter details manually from here as well. Simply tap on this, and from here you can enter activation code, and you can enter the activation information provided by your carrier from here. So here you have to simply give all this information, and after this tap on next button, and then the eSIM will be activated by following these steps. So guys, in this way you can also activate eSIM on your Apple devices. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.